Hey guys, and welcome back to Cooking with Deb. Sorry if I sound like crap in this video. Getting this freaking throat pain again, but I got another one for you guys today. I'm gonna be showing you how I make Frito pie, so stay tuned and keep watching. Alright you guys, sorry if my quality is not the best. Like I told you guys, I broke my phone, so I'm trying to do the best that I can with what I have. But this is the ingredients to make my Frito pie. Some shredded cheese, chili beans. You can get them with or without meat. I like to get them hot because I like them spicy. Sour cream, some Fritos, well, corn chips. It was either get the 2 for $3 or get 1 for $4, and you get more. So yeah. Green onion and tomato. Like you can see that all my stuff is Kroger. Yeah, I go cheap, you guys, but I eat good, so. But let's go ahead and heat our chili beans up and cut our vegetables. Make sure you wash your hands and wash your vegetables. Alright you guys, so I diced up my tomato and my green onion. The only thing that you need to heat up in this recipe is your chili beans. Make sure that they're nice and hot. That way when you put the cheese over it, it'll melt. Alright you guys, I did put my beans in a bowl and put it in the microwave for about a minute. That way they can be like extra hot to melt my cheese, because I don't want to have to keep putting it in the microwave if they cool down. You know what this means? It's time to serve. And if you guys see this plate, this is my favorite plate. Like, that is in all of my videos. I'll probably cry if it breaks. But yeah. I'm gonna put our Fritos in the plate. And we're gonna put our chili beans. You guys can put as much as you want, there's no limit really. And then we're gonna put our shredded cheese on top. If your beans aren't hot enough, you guys can put it in the microwave for 30 seconds to a minute just to melt the cheese. Alright you guys, now I'm going to be adding my green onion and my tomato. And my sour cream. And that's my Frito pie. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Leave your comments down below. Love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.